Welcome to my channel Car Quest Pro. A mini beast on Indian roads? What if I told you there's a new ride that blends the charm of a rugged Jeep with the practicality of a mini truck, and all this without burning a hole in your pocket? Meet the Mahindra Jeeto Jeep 2025, a vehicle that's turning heads in rural and urban India alike. It's compact, tough, and surprisingly stylish for its category. Design that talks tough. At first glance, the Jeeto Jeep 2025 looks like it's ready for any terrain. With its signature front grille inspired by Mahindra's classic SUV lineup, bold square headlights, and chunkier tires, it carries that unmistakable Jeep attitude in a smaller frame. The updated 2025 model also gets flared wheel arches, a higher ground clearance, and an optional soft-top version that gives it a true adventure-ready look. Designed with functionality in mind, it's perfect for both daily work and weekend escapes. Performance that punches above its weight. Under the hood, the Jeeto Jeep 2025 packs a 670 cubic centimeters single-cylinder diesel engine that produces around 16 HP and 38 Nm of torque, not blazing fast, but perfectly tuned for rural roads and light-duty hauling. It can reach a top speed of 70 km per hour, making it more efficient than speedy. It's mated to a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering solid control and durability. It's not built for racing, but for reliability, and that's where it shines. Affordability that makes sense. Now, here's the best part, the price. The 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Jeep is expected to start around 4.5 Indian rupees to 5 Indian rupees lakhs, ex-showroom. That's a steal for a vehicle that gives you the utility of a mini truck with the rugged appeal of a Jeep. Mahindra clearly aims to dominate the semi-urban and rural markets with this offering.